Meaning of freelance.
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 Freelance. Freelance is a term used to describe working independently on a project basis rather than being employed by a company. A freelancer typically offers their services to multiple clients, working remotely or on-site to complete the tasks assigned to them. Many professionals choose freelance work as it allows for greater flexibility and control over their schedule, while also providing opportunities for varied and challenging projects. Common freelance industries include writing, design, programming, and consulting. Overall, freelance work offers a way for individuals to pursue their passions while supporting themselves financially.